Hello guys, this is SatchiScape. Welcome to my channel. Here I am helping out to make website design and development skills. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that whenever I am uploading the new videos, you will get notified every time. In addition with this video, also I am providing the source code that I am using so that you can use for your own projects. So guys, today's topic is called Bootstrap 4.5.2 Phase 7. Here I am going to explain you how to make Isotope to integrate in inside page. In my previous video, you have seen I have implemented the content, left side image, paragraph, abstract. Also I have given in the home page, owl carousel, FancyBox, revolution slider, navigation, search filter, everything I have implemented. To continue with my previous video, in this video I have given Isotope integrate in my HTML tutorials. What is Isotope? Isotope is like the previous version of the tab. In the tab, the old version is like when you click, it's just like a sliding. But Isotope is very smooth and very functionality, and it's very workful for the next generation HTML developer. Very nice tutorial. And also you can see I have categorized with two categories, like one is all and the next two categories is photos and videos, so that it will sliding as per your click. For source code, you have to go some simple steps. First, you have to open my website called SatchiScape.com. Then you have to click the articles page. When you click the articles page, there you can see lots of other source code was provided. But you have to click the Bootstrap version 4.5.2 Phase 7. When you click the read more button, it will redirect you to the details page. When you go to the details page, you can see the small description I have given, and also I have given the thumbnails of the photographs. Then when you click the download button, it will redirect you to the Dropbox page. When you click the Dropbox, you can see the file. You can download from there. When you download the file, you can copy paste to your WAMP or JAM folder. For the WAMP and JAM, why I am telling, because in my previous video you can see why the WAMP and JAM file is needed. When you paste this file to the WAMP and JAM, you can extract. When you extract, you have to click in a browser localhost/phase7. When you click the localhost/phase7, you can see the file is there with inside banner and also navigations, header, footer, everything, and also the Isotope file is there. You can click and you can see what is the difference and why is very necessary for the HTML developer. When you download your files, when you open this folder structure, you will see your folder structure will be like this. Here is CSS, then the fonts folder, then you can see the images and also JS folder. In the CSS folder, you can see everything. My previous video CSS file was there. With this, you can see the SatchiScape custom CSS is there. Then you can see the fonts folder, same. Then image folder, I'm also using the same. Then you can see the JS folder also there. In there, you can see I have added one extra JS is called isotope.me. What I have implemented in this video I given here. Then you can see the 5 icon files was here and one index file here. You have to open this index file in Dreamweaver, or you have Notepad++ you can use. Then you have to open the SatchiScape custom CSS is there, you can open here. Okay. Then you can see the localhost/phase7, the file is here. See guys, here the same inner banner, the main navigations, header. In the header you can see the logo, social media icons, and also hello at SatchiScape.com. You can see the sitemap, everything is there. Here you can see the Isotope I have added. You can see the functionality, how it looks, see the photos, videos. I will just drag to top. You can see here photos, videos. This is the tab, but it's Isotope, like the new generation HTML I have implemented here. You can see then what is the changes in the HTML. I'm going to show you the same. Everything is there, nothing changed in the top sections. In the down you can see I've given only the isotope code. Here you can see one isotope, one image load.mean, you can see in the JS folder. Then you can see the script file, this is the custom file is there. Then in the down you can see there is a description like what is isotope. Isotope can hide and show items elements with the filter options. Item that match that filter will be shown, item that don't match will be hidden. This is the concept. You can see the HTML, the same concept is working, but it's a new generation HTML. Then you have to see the HTML code what is written. You can change the HTML syntax, like here you can see the all photos, videos I've given. You can give as per your requirement, you can change. Here I'm going to show you how it's changing. See, this is row. In the row I've given this one as a colMD12 because this is full main tab. Then the gallery items, okay, you can see the gallery items is the image sections and the top sections is a tab sections. Here you can see the tab sections what is written, all you can photos and the videos. You have to give the same class here, photos, videos, and all is checked by default. Then you can see here the photos. In the down you can see here, down I have given the photos, videos, everything is there with the same class, so that when you are going to click it automatically sliding. See guys, here in the gallery item you can see one item photos, then one item videos. See here videos is written the same class. Then the third I have given the photos, videos. This is the random I have given, but you can change if you don't want to give photos and videos. If you have any other elements, you can give your other elements also, right guys? Then you can see I have given implement with this isotope FancyBox. You see here the FancyBox, you can see in the home page, like I've given the FancyBox style implemented with the owl carousel, but here I will implement the FancyBox with isotope. So the FancyBox code, if you want to see, you have to go to the page 1. There you can see the FancyBox. Even in the description box also I am providing the FancyBox code. You can download it from there. So guys, this is the code, and this is the inner page, how it looks, the photos and videos. Here you can see the photo gallery 2. Here you can see the, when you click the videos, you will see the video gallery 1. It's like you can give your YouTube videos. Here will come the YouTube videos. Alright guys, now we are going to end up with this video. If you are really enjoyed my tutorial, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon, so that whenever I'm uploading the new videos, you will get notified every time. You can follow me with my social media accounts. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay safe.